Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert Arabic or Jawi text in Affinity Designer. This is incredibly useful when you're working on multilingual designs or need to incorporate Arabic script into your creative projects. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to rephrasely.com. This online tool will help us translate and prepare our Arabic text before bringing it into Affinity Designer. Once the page loads, look at the left panel where you'll find several options. Click on Translate to access the translation feature. Now in the top toolbar, you'll see a section labeled Language with a drop-down that says Detected. Click on that drop-down menu and select English as your source language. This tells the tool what language you're starting with. Next, click the drop-down menu right beside Detected and choose Arabic from the list. This sets Arabic as your target language for translation. Navigate to the section labeled Original where you'll find a text field. This is where you'll enter the text you want to translate. Go ahead and type something, for example, hello, then click the Translate button. The tool will process your request and display the Arabic translation on the right side of the screen. Simply highlight that translated text and copy it. This Arabic text is now ready to be inserted into your Affinity Designer project. Now, launch Affinity Designer on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Open your existing file or create a new file. In the left sidebar, locate and click on the Text tool, then select Artistic Text tool from the options that appear. This tool gives you the flexibility to place and style text exactly where you need it on your canvas. Click anywhere on your canvas where you want the Arabic text to appear. A text cursor will appear ready for input. Before pasting, navigate to the font size option in the upper left area of the interface and click it. Select your preferred font size from the available options to ensure your Arabic text displays at the right scale for your design. Finally, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the translated Arabic text you copied earlier. The Arabic text will now appear on your canvas, and you can reposition or style it as needed to fit your design perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted Arabic or Jawi text into Affinity Designer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.